Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is a US attack on Iran may be more show than substance. See, what exactly is happening in Iran? Iran is seeing protests, especially by women, against strict rules and governments. Normally, when people protest in some countries like the US, supports protest openly. But this time, the US is being careful and not jumping in directly. Why is that? Because military attack or loud interference will not help. If the US attacks Iran people may stop the protest and they might unite against the United States. And this would strengthen the Iranian government, not weaken it. So the idea is let internal pressure work. Don't give the regime an external enemy also. Now, what is happening in geopolitics? Let's look at the big picture. See, let me switch to international relations. Iran is not just a country; it's a geopolitical node. Iran sits at the center of Middle East and Middle East energy routes especially. All right, so Shia politics, Israel Arab tensions, US China rivalry, any instability in Iran affects the oil prices and impacts Israel Iran shadow war, pulls China and Russia who oppose the US dominance. So why is the US avoiding the military action? It's because the US has learned from the past mistakes. What are the past mistakes? Iraq in 2003. So the regime fell, chaos rose. Afghanistan, Taliban returned. Libya, state collapse. So today US is thinking regime change by force doesn't work as it has been written here, and instead avoid strikes, avoid loud threats, avoid sanctions that hurt civilians too much because external pressure creates nationalism. The biggest thought behind all this is that don't turn a domestic protest into a nationalist war. If America attacks protesters seen as US agents and women's movement becomes delegitimized, regime gets excused to crush dissent. So the US strategy is let economic stress plus internal dissent slowly weaken their system. Keep Iran diplomatically isolated but not militarily attacked. This is called strategic restraint. Now, why is Iran's regime still surviving? Because it controls the security forces, it uses religion plus nationalism, it presents protests as foreign conspiracies. Also, China is buying Iranian oil, as we've talked about it. Russia cooperates with Iran in the Ukraine war. So Iran is not fully isolated. And realism is like states act based on power and interest, not morality. Constructivism, identity, nationalism, religion matter, soft power, failure, US values don't automatically create change. Security dilemma is also there. Any US action escalates tensions. Now let us look at the UPSC relevance of this whole topic. It is highly relevant in GS paper 2, which is international relations, GS paper 3, which is internal security and economy, and for essay paper also this becomes important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.